Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to mute autoplaying videos when scrolling YouTube feeds on Android. YouTube recommends new content by automatically playing clips when opening the home page or feeds. The autoplay feature aims to keep viewers engaged with continuous content, but can be annoying or distracting when seeking specific videos. We will walk through disabling autoplaying videos in YouTube feeds for your Android device. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Tap the triple dots in the top right corner. Look for Settings, and tap to access available options. Select General to control default playback preferences. Options for customizing your YouTube experience include a toggle for Mute Playback in Feeds. This setting determines whether videos autoplay when scrolling through feeds and the homepage. Turn the switch next to Mute Playback in Feeds to the right On position to mute autoplaying videos and feeds on YouTube. Doing so prevents videos from automatically starting playback when opening feeds or the home page. Consider whether continuous autoplaying media or requiring selection of each video to play matches your preferences. The ability to adjust settings like muting playback in feeds remains available for changing default behavior at any time. After reviewing options, turn on Mute Playback in Feeds to set as the default. Then tap Save at the bottom of the page to apply the setting. YouTube playback on your Android device will now avoid autoplaying videos when scrolling through feeds or the homepage without disabling the setting for a specific playlist or content. The default Mute Playback in Feeds toggle can be switched off or on as preferred going forward. Third-party YouTube apps, themes, or add-ons could potentially introduce security or privacy issues rather than using the official YouTube app and its features. For controlling default playback, the YouTube app itself provides a simple solution. In summary, to mute autoplaying videos when scrolling YouTube feeds on Android, open YouTube, tap the triple dots, select Settings then General, turn on Mute Playback in Feeds, review, and tap Save. Your YouTube experience will now require manually selecting each video to play, rather than automatically proceeding to new recommendations upon opening feeds or the home page, unless disabled for a particular playlist. Let me know if customizing autoplay preferences on YouTube Android requires any clarification. I can provide additional guidance on options available for managing default behavior and settings. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support streaming services, social media features, and more.